there's something wrong with the aircraft. Welcome to Kathmandu, Nepal. I came here to see with my eyes the Mount Everest and do other Nepal-related stuff, but here's the thing. I'm a gym rat, so I'm going to start this video with a small tour of a gym in my hotel because, guys, I'm telling you, this is going to be really funny. When I booked this hotel, I kind of underestimated how deceptive pictures can be. Guys, here's the gym. This room is the entire gym, so they literally have 2 treadmills. This machine. I failed my morning workout today. For today, the plan is, because I booked a flight around Mount Everest for tomorrow, and I think it's going to be really beautiful. So I have today, and today the plan is to send a postcard to my mom, as always. Just walk around because it looks really beautiful. Look at this. Welcome to Nepal, guys. I'm happy that you are going to keep me company because I think it's going to be really interesting. And I think that sending a postcard from Nepal, from Kathmandu, is going to be a little bit of a quest because I checked a postal office and they all look like not a traditional post office, but I'm going to figure out how it works, and that's it. And my first observation would be, I arrived yesterday in the evening and it was so chill. It gets really cold during the night, morning, but now, oh, YouTube. The sun just burns you. I mean, it's only like 22, 23 degrees above zero. But when you're under the sun, oh my God. I think maybe it has something to do with the altitude or what, but it's just, I don't know the other word except for burning. But yeah, I think I'm going to have a red face very soon. And a lot of clothes shop everywhere. And yeah, this is what I meant when I told you that it gets chilled really in the evening. Look at the amount of shops with jackets. They're everywhere because apparently people like me, they just arrived from some warm destinations like Southeast Asia or what, and they got chilled immediately. And a lot of trekking sticks. Russian t-shirt detected. I told it a million times before, I have no idea why, but such kind of t-shirts, especially white ones, and especially with the part that covers your head, I forgot the name of this part again, they're extremely popular among my fellow Russians, especially in places like Phuket and Bali. I have no idea why. Again, if you have some ideas, drop in the comments. This is really funny. Oh, thank you so much. I don't know, for some reason I imagined Kathmandu for myself exactly like this. Maybe I saw too many videos or pictures, but yeah, it looks... Wait a second. Bookshop. Hello, sir. I'm looking for some postcards. Do you have postcards? Okay, very nice. You have a very nice, interesting, beautiful shop. May I film? Is it okay if I film? Thank you so much. I cannot believe that the mission is almost complete. It's just, it took me 15 minutes. Wow. Let's pick one. How much for one? 20. Okay.
Poland, Czech, Slovak, Ukraine.
Russia. I'm from Russia. Wow. Wow. You speak almost without accent. What other words do you know in Russian?
Пойдем, покажу.
Пойдем, покажу. Very good. Nice.
Спасибо.
Yeah.
До свидания.
How many languages do you speak? 9 or 10. Absolutely. No way. Can you hear this? Wow. What is your name, sir?
My name is Paki.
Paki. Nice to meet you. My name is Roman. Namaste. Thank you.
You are 32.
How do you know? Almost. 33. 68. But you look very good for 68. 20. I'm trying to master English and I'm struggling, but this gentleman speaks 9 languages. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. До свидания. Wow. So the first task of the quest done. And Mom, here's to you. My mom, she constantly watches videos about Mount Everest, how people climb there. She's drawn to mountains, though she was never a mountain climber, but for some reason she's very interested in this kind of activity. I think that this is going to be her favorite postcard in her collection. She has a lot of them. I always send her a postcard when I arrive to a new country. This is going to be the #1 postcard. Okay, now I need to find a post office. Let's exchange some money. Guys, look at this. Even in a small money changer kiosk, they have all these details. This is very interesting.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 40,000, 100, 200, 300.
Guys, I have a benchmark, Coke Zero. When I arrive to a country or to a place, I always get the understanding of the overall level of prices by buying a can of Coke Zero. 300 rupees. It seems like it's kind of a lot. Doesn't look like a traditional post office, but who knows? I'm looking for like a post office. I want to send a postcard.
Next corner.
And there is like a government post office. Oh, okay, thank you. Tattoo. I think I have enough. Trigger word, chicken. This is supposed to be a post office, but to be honest, I kind of don't understand a single word. Excuse me, is this a post office?
Yes, this year.
Oh, okay, thank you so much.
Postcard?
Yes, I need
Which
stamps. Russia.
Russia?
Yes.
Russia no service. Here just one, this country is sent here, other country no sent.
So I cannot send it to Russia?
some-
Oh, Russia, it's like...
Russia no.
Okay.
Sorry.
Interesting. Oh, no problem. Interesting, guys. So I cannot send a postcard to Russia, so it was here. Now it's... Mom, I'm sorry. I'm going to send this postcard from the next country, I guess. The next country is going to be, spoiler alert, Malaysia again. So the thing that counts is that this particular postcard was bought here in Nepal. I never seen anything like that. It's not that I'm offended by that, but it's just weird. Like, why not? Come on, it's just post. Мам, в общем, в Россию отправлять открытки теперь нельзя. Она вот здесь была, но сейчас вычеркнута. Нашел тебя специально с Эверестом, но отправлю из следующей страны. These doors, guys, and these are shops. This is so interesting. Look, literally, this is a small shop, and they are everywhere like this. Another one. Just walking around here feels like you are in a museum under the sky. Wow. I still cannot believe that all these shops, they are inside of... This is just a piece of an art. Look at this carving. Guys, Guys, I'm about to enter, how to pronounce it correctly? Durbar Square. Durbar Square. Kathmandu Durbar Square.
Hanumandu.
Kathmandu.
No, Kathmandu. Hanuman. It's also called Kathmandu also, but the name is Hanumandu.
Yeah, but in English, the English name is Kathmandu Durbar Square, right? Okay, I think I'll stick with English because it's too much to me, the third language. Thank you so much, ma'am. Just realized that I didn't need this ticket to walk around. It's like an entry ticket to museums, I guess, because I haven't seen, to be honest, a single person here with the same thing. Guys, I feel like I need to utilize this ticket. Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Guys, I know that this is kind of silly, but now I feel like, okay, at least I didn't waste my money. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Even Baskin-Robbins in Nepal have these doors. Yeah. Guys, I think I found a place to have some food. Look at this. 5,000 reviews. Wow, this is a lot. Chicken biryani. This is funny. Friend zone restaurant. I don't want to visit this place. Friend zone. Doesn't sound good. Oh my god, there's so much food here. Oh no, too much options. This is my problem actually. So when it comes to really important decisions, I just do it easily. But when I need to choose like a place for breakfast or something like that, oh my god, this is absolutely chicken station. We serve the best chicken. This is a loud statement. I've seen a very loud statement, the best chicken. Very interesting. Can I see your menu, please? Oh, this is not deep fried. Oh, okay. It's not quite something I'm looking for. Thank you so much. Thank you. Not my style of chicken. And this is the place I was initially aiming for. I have a friend, Alex, he's also a YouTuber from Canada, and he's a former psychologist. And he gave me a brilliant advice just to came to an agreement with myself to spend, let's say, I give myself 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I make a decision no matter what. So sometimes I use this advice. Alex, thank you so much. So when I find myself spending too much time to decide something, to choose something, I just say myself, okay, I have only 5 minutes, and then I'm going to make a decision no matter what. Usually the best option is the first one. So when you start contemplating, you find a place and you think like, oh, this looks like a good one, and then you find another one and another one and another one, and then you quickly realize that, you know what, the first one was the best one. Namaste. You have 5,000 reviews on Google Maps.
Yes, we do
this
have 5,000
is
reviews
impressive.
for a reason. You can
Do you mind if I film? Is that okay?
Yes, we don't
I'm doing.
mind.
Oh,
Yes, we
okay,
don't
okay. Oh, okay. Thank you. Invisible glass in action. Save yourself from bumping. Okay. So it's not the door, it's like it's just a glass. Okay. I'll do chicken biryani and extra biryani chicken pieces. And extra chicken. Very nice, small, cozy cafe, but there are some people and seems like they are not very comfortable being filmed, so let's just have some chicken biryani. For such questions, I can give you a card. Yeah. Here it is. This is interesting. I never seen that they would bring water in these shaker bottles in cafes. This was one of the best biryanis I ever had. Guys, look at this. This is the exit. I think I'm kind of done for today. Welcome to the 5 a.m. club, guys. Here's this morning flight around Everest thing. Oh, thank you so much. Very nice. How long does it take to get to the airport?
10 to 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. This is unbelievable. First time in my life I dropped my phone and the screen protector didn't break. Wow! Achievement unlocked. Usually I break screen protectors after like 3-5 seconds after applying on the screen because of like a keychain or something like that. So guys, this is a super small airport, or let's say part of the airport.
You're going?
Like Everest. I didn't know how to answer correctly. Mind your head, 2.18 meters. Come on, who should mind their head here?
Never feel the same as if I walked away.
What side should I sit on? Okay, I think right side would work. No, not the best view, definitely. There's a wind. This is interesting. This is the second time that there's something wrong with the aircraft. Just 3 weeks ago, my plane was emergently landed in Colombo, and it's the second time. Excuse me, ma'am, I'm just so curious. What was the reason?
The reason was there was indication problem, that's why.
Indication, what does it mean?
Indication problem in cockpit.
Oh, okay.
I'm so sorry, but you cannot play.
Okay, thank you. Sorry. Indication problem. Anyway, some kind of problem. Here we go again. I feel so sleepy. This is the dark side of the 5 a.m. club. Kathmandu. How silent it is here and how loud at the same time it is there downstairs. This is my last day here in Kathmandu, and tomorrow I'm flying off to Pokhara, and I hope to take you there with me. Don't forget to... I always forget where this button here or there supposed to pop up. You know what to do. Guys, I hope to see you soon. Take care. Remember, as always, the world is yours to discover. We see each other soon. Bye for now.